Okay, so basically this thing is like it's a thing where there's like different tiers, and depending on how much demons you beat in a certain tier, that like determines whether you go to the next tier. So I'm still in the beginner tier, and then after that is bronze and silver and gold and amber, I think. But yeah, so uh I did 3 of the levels that I haven't done yet. So I'm gonna do another 3 tomorrow, and then I'll be done with the beginner tier. So here's those 3 demons right now. Okay, I'm tired, so I go to bed now. So